hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you facing the problem where your Wi Fi is connected but there is no internet access? Here's the solution. Step 1, just restart your device and Wi Fi router. Many times, a simple restart clears temporary glitches and restores internet access. Step 2, go to your Wi Fi settings. Now, tap on Forget Network, then reconnect with your Wi Fi password, whatever it is. This refreshes the connection and often fixes the issue. Step 3, if the problem still continues, check your IP settings. And then lastly, if none of these methods work, the issue may be with your internet service provider. Contact them and confirm if there's any outage in your area. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.